solve page number 16 from drawing and coloring book class 4th. As you can see on page number 16, we have to stick the papers. There is no coloring. Okay, there is a collage is there. We are going to stick the colorful papers. Okay, you can take any marble paper also, you can use there, but here no need to use scissor for making a shape. Okay, with the help of your fingers try to cut shape, but you can draw the shape with the pencil and then try to cut along with that border, along with that edges, along with that drawing. Those we have draw here. As you can see, I draw the red color flower there, and I'm going to cut with my fingers by hand. Okay, like this we have to cut along with that border. Okay, like this. Follow this technique to all remaining parts. There are some square triangle shape and triangle shape also there. For leaf also you can make oval shape and try to draw leaf shape and then cut the paper like this. Stick all papers and all parts properly with Fevicol, glue stick, whatever you have material you can use that and stick it properly. After completing, it's look like this. Today we learn page number 16 from drawing and coloring book, class 4th.